Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? As you know, I got 4 coaster models on my last visit to Hershey Park, and today I will be unboxing the Fahrenheit one right here. And so anyways, let's just get to this video, mad dudes. Here's all the parts and the instructions. And here is the board it's supposed to go on. And here is the thing that comes with every one of those coaster models, like use a nail clipper. Yeah, I know. And so anyways, yeah, that does it for the unboxing of this Fahrenheit coaster model that I got the last time I was at Hershey Park. Make sure to stay tuned for a video coming out tomorrow of me actually building this thing. And so anyways, make sure to comment down below your thoughts on this video, and make sure to comment down below how you're doing in general if you want to. And so anyways, make sure to also check out what I meant to say was check out my merch store on Bonfire that I have made this past summer. I've got face masks, tote bags, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, tank tops, all the things you could want that Bonfire lets you sell. So make sure you check out that merch store that I made this past summer. I'll have a link in the description. And of course, I will see you all in the next one.